Sa kanyang pipiling Elmer. O ito sa Managile. Ready, get set, go! Last lap, 20 seconds. Good, that's one. 12 seconds. 2.
Ito na mo.
3 seconds.
Counted.
Ako nakadalawa na yung last but not the least, si Ronez Sigula. Or Siguan. Ready? Get set, go! That's one. All right, 8 seconds to go. That's 2.
Basket!
3. Last basket is counted. Congratulations, siya po nanalo. At yan po ating 25-second under pressure shooting contest. And then sa inyo ng time zone in Enchanted Kingdom.